Through the ages, man relied on excruciating trial and error in the creation of grand ideas. Plans and drawings helped, but were static and non-interactive, leading in some cases to catastrophic failure. This meant ideas required painful, real-life experimentation in order to put them into action. Specifying complex business systems required people to endure equally grueling challenges by relying on text for definition. Because of the inherent ambiguity, developers were forced to form their own interpretation of the proposed software. Text leads to confusion and miscommunication.
Where are we taking users after checkout?
Which delays mission-critical projects and drives rework costs through the roof, stifling innovation.
There's no way using those tools you can actually predict how the process is going to go or what the output is going to be.
It increased cost, it wastes time, it's a very bad situation for everybody involved.
If businesses had the ability to simulate their ideas before building them, much of the painful trial, error, and risk of software development could be avoided. Enter iRise. iRise is the world's first software that lets business and IT visualize complex business systems before development. iRise simulations provide an unambiguous specification for what to build, so you build it right the first time. Simulations look and behave like the real thing, putting everyone on the same page.
Welcome to iRise.
From my perspective and my team's perspective, the impact was immediately obvious.
iRise is actually being a solution to a problem that they were acutely aware of but had no idea a solution was available.
This is one opportunity for me to make my requirement as crystal clear as I can.
I mean, it really takes away the mystery. You don't see the technology. They're really able to focus on whatever the business problem is.
You know, we kind of realized that simulation is something that's been used in other industries for a long time. It's a proven approach. It's successful, you know, the same way that Boeing used simulation to develop the 777 and that Intel uses simulation to design microchips. The same could be brought to bear in software development.
The magic with iRise is really that moment when the analyst sits down with the business stakeholder, shows the stakeholder a simulation, the business person's light bulb turns on, and all of a sudden that business person is able to communicate the requirements. That's the magic.
We're going to see a complete paradigm shift in the way applications are defined.
I want this widget to display over here and this action to happen when they click on this. Well, now you're not having to say that in words. You're actually able to give them a picture and make it real.
We definitely get a higher quality of requirement.
They can see it and they can work with it, and you don't get surprises like you used to.
I think iRise is a great device for a CEO to have in his pocket.
I really can't understand why anybody would not go with this approach.
I would say get on board now so you're not left behind.
Many of the world's top companies are using iRise to cut costs, drive top-line growth, and reduce risk. Are you?